What's going on, guys? Roma the Roamer here. I'm out here in Central Illinois, and I keep getting this question. I just got a question on Instagram. Shout out Life Goals, I believe your name. Life Goals with like 5 S's. The question is how to sell on Amazon. How do you figure out what books are profitable to sell on Amazon? How do you go in a thrift store and determine what book is good to sell on Amazon? Now that I think about it, this is probably the most common question I get, period, when I'm at like parties and stuff. And this video is not going to be long because it's a really simple answer. And I'll put the link in the description of the app, but I use an app called Scout IQ. There's a couple others out there, but the reason why I use Scout IQ is it's fast, efficient. It's made by a bookseller himself, and it calculates the supply and demand of the book. Not supply, it does do that too though, but the demand and price of the book, and it tells you, you enter the buy cost as you go in the thrift store, and it tells you whether or not there's arbitrage opportunity just from that information right there. It'll turn green if it's good, it'll turn red if it's bad. So I mean, that's it. Like there's not too much to really screw up about it. That's all you have to do. Good. Yep. Thank you. People are like, what the hell is this kid doing? But yeah, that's basically it. When it comes to listing the books, you have to list them on Amazon in order to sell them. So I have a free video on this on how to use the Amazon Seller app. It's 100% free. You don't even have to pay for a listing software. Once you start moving more volume, I recommend getting a third-party software like I use AcceleraList. But I mean, this shit is really simple. I travel around in my Corolla. I'm at $87,000 in sales this year. I have a sales goal of $500,000. Need to ship out a lot more books to hit that, but I mean, this is literally just from going in thrift stores, going in libraries, buying the books on the shelves and selling them on Amazon. It's not rocket science, but look at that sunset. Isn't that beautiful? Anyway, guys, like, comment, subscribe, dislike. If you guys want more videos like this, comment below. Also, if you're one of my viewers that are just watching this that are more advanced and you have more advanced questions, I would like to know what questions you guys have too. And if you're new to my channel and you have more questions about just selling on Amazon, I'm interested because I've been in the game for about 1.5 years, pretty heavy, and I kind of forget what questions beginners have. So peace out, guys. Have fun. Enjoy the rest of the YouTube world.